Well, we all know home comfort experts can take care of all of our heating and air conditioning needs, but that's not all they do. They've got a dedicated plumbing staff too. Ryan is here to give us some insight, pun totally intended there, on all things plumbing. So you guys are known for HVAC, you know, for the heating and air conditioning systems, but what makes you different when it comes to plumbing?
Well, one of the things that separates us out from all the other companies is the way that we pick our teammates to join our company. Everybody is drug tested, background checked, and then we try to find the right personality that not only will work well within our own company, but also with the homeowners. At that point, once we find that right person, we spend a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of effort into making that person well educated to the point where they can go into a customer's home, figure out the problems that the customer's having, and offer solutions to fix those problems.
I will say I've always been impressed. Every time you guys are in my home, whether it's just for our yearly membership, you know, checkup, or whatever, when we had our new system installed, always so professional, so knowledgeable, and I'm never fearful of having, you know, I'd be fine. I wouldn't do this to you, but I'd be fine with my kids just being there and, you know, you guys coming in. Maybe I should do that.
And we appreciate that because that's what we strive for, is to have people comfortable. You know, here again, we want technicians that you can trust with your house keys.
Love it. So let's talk about drain openings versus drain cleaning. Tell me what the difference is.
Well, we've got a new special going on right now. It's a $99 drain opening special. And what that is, if you've got a drain that's been giving you problems, let's say that your main drain, or maybe it's a kitchen sink drain that's not going down, for $99 right now, we'll come in and get that flowing again for you. We use a variety of tools and techniques that we can use. Sometimes we use a drain cleaner, sometimes we use an auger, sometimes we use a hand auger, a plunger, a vacuum, whatever it may be. But we'll make sure that if you've got a problem drain by the time we leave, that you've got that flowing again. A drain opening is usually reserved for more complicated drain situations. Let's say a broken line or a more extended plug. That usually involves a little more time, and we also sometimes run a sewer camera down there to make sure that problem is taken care of.
We've talked a lot about water heaters with Gary too. Sure. So there's so many different choices now. So tell me, is there a good time? Is this time of year the best time to replace a water heater? Does it matter?
Well, to be honest with you, the best time to replace your water heater is before it goes bad.
Good call.
And usually when a water heater fails you, one of two things happens. You either have no hot water, or worst case scenario, you have a breach in the tank and it floods an area, whether it be a basement or a utility room. So what we would like to do is come into the home and replace that water heater before it actually gets to that point. So anything, usually a tank warranty is going to be about 6 years long. Anytime after that, you're on borrowed time. Most water heaters need replaced by around the 10-year mark. If you're after 10 years, you're on very borrowed time, and we recommend that you get a technician in there to look it over and to make sure how it's functioning.
It's always easier and better to make those decisions on what you want when you're not in that emergency situation.
That is, you know, the two worst case scenarios are the flooded basement or waking up in the morning for school or church and not being able to take a shower.
Listen, when you have a 15-year-old girl in your house, that is like life-changing, devastating for her. So what else can your plumbing staff come do for me in my home?
Well, we're a full division plumbing division. We can come in, we can do faucets, we can do any kind of leaks, repairs, new installs. We have a lot of customers that have us come in and replace vanities. Basically anything inside your home that is plumbing related that needs work on, we can work on.
And you guys can come and do like a whole house inspection, right?
We do. The whole key to the whole house inspection is to try to find anything that may present a problem for you in the future and find that before the problem actually exists. So what we do is we come in, we go through the whole house, we check your water, your drain lines, your faucets, your toilets. We look for anything that might not be functioning like it should be. We can note that. We sit down with the homeowner at the end of the inspection, go over that with them and offer them solutions to fix those problems that we found.
That sounds like a great idea. Always better to be proactive. Well, if you have any plumbing issues or if you're ready to be proactive and have that home inspection done, just give them a call today. Home Comfort Experts, 490-5100. We'll be right back.